Dear students, once again Maqbool Islam is in front of you. Today we are going to learn about the topic of matrices. We are proceeding MCQs 78. What is the value of determinant 101, 102, 103, and 104, 105, and 106, 107, and 108, and 109. What is the determinant of this value? So the result will be equal to choice are given 100, 2, and B as 108, and C as equal to 0, and D as equal to 1. So look here, the series are started from the column sides. So the difference are equal to 1s. If we are subtract row 3 minus row 1, row 2. So we will get the answer here 101, 104, and 107. Row 3 we are calculated, so R2 and R05, 108. So we will get here 103. Subtract this value from this one. So we get here 1, and also here get 1 and 1. Similarly, if we are proceeding to the next step, if we subtract R2 minus R1, if we are applying the row operation method, so what is the result? The result will be equal to 0. How? So if we subtract this result, row 2 minus R1, 102 minus 101 of each element, if we are subtracted, so here we get 1, 1, and here 105 minus, so we get 1 and 1, and here similarly 101 and 1. Now if we are once again, if we are subtracting R3 minus R2, so the result we will get here 101, 104, 107. So subtracted this result R3, so result is 0. So according to the definition of determinant, if E rows and column are 0, row 3 is 0, row 3 is 0, so determinant is equal to also 0. According to the definition of determinant properties we have already discussed. So any rows of the determinant or column are 0, so the determinant must be 79, and metric AX is equal to B, then if rank of a metric is equal to rank of augmented metric B is equal to the number of elements, so it is a unique solution, and the infinite solution, C no solution, D none of these. Look here, if the rank of a metric A is equal to the rank of the augmented metric B, so augmented metric B means that if you put the values of B here, so the number of elements are equal, the rank of the matrix, so the system will have a unique solution. This type of solution will contain a unique solution. If both are rank means here the number of non-zero elements of the given matrix is called rank of the matrix. And rank of the same trigonometric matrix we are making from the trigonometric matrix from the B values we put to the matrix A. So if we are finding both of the ranks, so both ranks are equal and the number of element unknown variables are used x, y, z, x1, x2, x3 are used. So according to the question, so if they have must unique elements are not given, also given that x1, x2 is similarly. So they are not equal. So in this situation, we are giving a no solution. So the correct answer is equal to in this situation no solution. F 31 number question. If they are less than n, so in that type of situation, and rank of a matrix is equal to rank of B, but the unknown variables, the number of elements are less than from the rank of A and B. So in this situation, the system has infinite solution. The system of equations is dash solution which is inconsistent, which is inconsistent. Number one, unique solution, and B, infinite solution, and C, no solution, and D, none of these. So given that any system of equation which is inconsistent in this situation, so the system will be no solution. They are giving no solution. So that type of equation is inconsistent, which are giving the result have no solution. The solution is does not exist in this situation. The system of equation has have 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 unique solution, infinite solution, no solution. So they are consistent, so there are possibilities. They are giving unique solution and also infinite solution. In case of consistent, so they will give two possibilities. Here we change both option A and B. Both A and B. So the correct answer will be D. So they are giving the results has possibility as both A and B. Unique solution is also possible and also infinite solution is possible in case of consistent equations. If determinant of A is equal to 3, then determinant of A inverse is equal to what is the result? Is equal to 1, B is equal to 3, and C is equal to 1 by 3, and D is equal to 2 by 3. So if we are using the definition of, so that is the results determinant A determinant and A inverse is equal to 1 over A determinant adjoint of A. This is the main definition if possibility of A inverse. If we are finding the same situation here is given that Look here, determinant of A inverse is given that. So we are finding the determinant of A determinant. So it's joint of A. In this situation, look here, determinant of A. So already given that 1 divided by determinant of A is 3. So the correct answer will be C is the correct answer. Number 85. If A is equal to A0, and A not is equal to 0 and not is equal to 1, then the metric A is called unit metric, B scalar metric, C identity metric, and D diagonal metric. If we are using the if A is not is equal to 0 and A is, if we put A is equal to 1, so that will be identity metric. And this situation, if both are not equal except these two values, so that will be a scalar metric. For example, if we put A is equal to 3 and 0, 0 and 3, so both the main principal diagonal value are same except these two situations. If we put here, for example, we put here 1, 0 and 0, 1, so this is also same value, but then this is the value of identity metric or unit metric, both are the same, this same result. So but the situation are different, condition are used here. So we are using here the definition of scalar metric. Scalar metric is correct answer in this situation. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel.